Welcome back to Day 8 of the 30-Day AI Side Hustle Challenge, where we transform clever tools into compounding income. And today, we unlock the highest impact lever most digital sellers. Ignore dynamic, data-driven pricing powered by artificial intelligence that watches your competitors around the clock. Recommends profitable price tweaks, and even a beat sets them for you all while you sleeps, so in the next 10 minutes, you'll install, configure, and deploy an AI pricing optimizer script that can lift revenue by 20 to 50% without adding a single new product or paying a cent for ads. Imagine opening your Etsy dashboard each morning to see that. While you were binge-watching Netflix, the bot noticed a rival drop their bundle price 50 cents. Nudged yours down a quarter to stay the perceived best value bumped. Another slow-moving item up by $1, where the market will tolerate it. Then sent you a Slack ping, summing the extra profits. This is real, no coding degree required, and we rebuilding it right now. Step 1. Grasp the psychology of price elasticity in micromarkets. Digital goods possess near-zero marginal cost, so tiny price changes can swing conversion rates dramatically. Because shoppers lack a concrete sense of digital value and rely on price to gauge quality yet, most sellers set prices once and forget leaving cash on the table when demand spikes or losing sales when competitors undercut. An optimizer adjusts in real time, ensuring you capture maximum willingness to pay. Step 2. Choose your monitoring stack. Sign up for a free account on Represser Express Everbee, or simply use Google Sheets with Import Smell for Gumroad. But today, we combine a no-code scraper called Appify with a Google Apps script that chats with GPT-4 to decide price moves. Create an Appify account, click Store, search Etsy Scraper, and copy the quick start. Input competitor shop URLs you identified on day 5 when benchmarking pricing. Set run frequency to every 6 hours and select data fields, item title, price, sales, star rating, shipping days. Step 3. In Google Sheets, open a blank sheet pricing button. Then, in extensions greater than app script, paste the following skeleton provided in the show notes. It pulls Appify API JSON, parses prices, compares to your own listing prices fetched via Etsy API, and writes deltas into columns. Beneath a few lines, call URL fetchup. Fetch passing a prompt that says, given competing price $X, my current price $Y, sales volume delta Z%, recommend raise 5%, drop 3%, or hold, then explain in one sentence. GPT-4 replies with a JSON we parse for action and rationale. Step 4. Secure Etsy API keys. Open Etsy Developer Portal, create an app pricing optimizer. Grant read-write listing permissions, copy keys, secret paste into script properties. Now still an app script. Add functions to update listing price via put/v3/application. Shops, shop_ID. Listings, see stings, listing_ID when GPT suggests a change. Set guardrails. Never drop below floor price or exceed ceiling you set manually. Step 5. Test on one listing. Pick your gluten-free meal planner bundle. Set floor $9.99. Ceiling $14.99. Run script manually. If competitor sits at $11.95 and you at $10.99 with strong conversion, GPT likely returns raise 5%, so script updates to $11.54. Logs, timestamp, reason, and next review time. Step 6. Embed A/B logic. Duplicate each listing in Etsy. In draft call version B, hide from search. Script toggles active listing between original and test price every 48 hours. Tracks visits, orders, calculates conversion. After 14 days, script promotes winner and deletes loser. True price discovery without guesswork. Step 7. Push results to Slack. Open Slack app dashboard. Create webhook pricing alerts. Paste URL into app script. When a price change executes, Send message raised gluten-free bundle to $11.54 after competitors shifted to $11.95. Monitoring conversion so you remain in the loop without dashboard surfing. Step 8. Integrate seasonality. In the sheet, add column season multiplier, e.g. Q4 plus 10% because holiday demand rises. Script multiplies GPT suggestion by seasonal factor, but still respects floor ceiling. Sealing your Christmas budgeting planners can climb 15% yet auto-revert January 3rd when interest drops. Step 9. For Gumroad sellers lacking public API store prices in the sheet, and at night manually glance at column suggested change. Click Gumroad and edit. As revenue grows, upgrade workflow with Zapier multi-step Gumroad sale event grader then Zap update sheet. Next script run includes real sales velocity as variable. Step 10. Feed optimizer better context. Append row for bundle perceived value, where you rate each product 1 to 10. In prompt, pass value score so GPT knows premium items can bear higher price. Example prompt snippet. Product underscore value underscore score. 8 competitor underscore price. 12.0 oh my underscore price. 11.00 sales underscore week 25. Competitor underscore sales 40. Step 11. Prevent whiplash. Script enforces mend days between changes to 4 high-volume listings, 5 for low. Constant fluctuation can trigger Etsy algorithm suspicion or confuse returning shoppers. Stagger changes to keep data clean. Step 12. Log all moves. Second sheet history holds date, listing old price, new price, competitor price, sales before, after, profit delta. Weekly pivot chart reveals optimizer ROI celebrate when you see average order value climbing month over month. Step 13. Create visualization. With Google Data Studio Connect sheet, build dashboard. Sparkline of each listing price over time. Competitor price overlay, revenue trend. Embed on Notion homepage so every login shows pricing bet at work, fueling motivation. Step 14. Upscale to multi-platform. Duplicate workflow using Amazon KDP repricing or Shopify's open source Reprice Ninja. Feed same GPT logic. Unify all listing data into master sheet for global adjustments. Step 15. Protect brand. If GPT suggests pricing below your brand's perceived premium, script tags, row manual review, emails you. You decide to bundle freebies instead of price cut. Maintain value perception. Your support helps the channel grow and reach more people who need this information.